Lion Lord Company is a metal band saw machine factory. Since 2010. Manual control semi-automatic -45 to +60-degree angle cutting band saw. Machine is a specialized cutting equipment used in various industries, including metalworking, woodworking, and fabrication. Machine is designed to accurately and efficiently cut different materials, such as metal bars, pipes, profiles, and other workpieces. This band saw machine can cut materials at angles between -45 to +60 degrees. This wide range of cutting angles allows for versatile and precise cutting. Operations. The machine's semi-automatic feature ensures ease of use and improved productivity. It includes an automated cutting cycle, where the clamping, cutting, and returning of the saw blade are automated, requiring less manual effort. Machine can be operated manually, allowing operators to easily adjust cutting parameters and angles according to specific requirements. The bandsaw machine features variable speed control, allowing operators to adjust the speed of cutting blade to suit different materials, thickness, and cutting angles. A manual control semi-automatic -45 to +60-degree angle cutting band saw. Machine offers precision, efficiency, and versatility in cutting operations. It enables operators to achieve accurate cuts at different angles while reducing manual effort and increasing productivity. For more information, please visit our website, www.leonorder.com. YouTube, www.youtube.com/leonard-sawing machine.